In Excel 2019, there are lots of different export file options. So let's say we've got our file the way we want it, and we want to export it. So click on the File menu, choose Export, and then we click on the Change File Type. So we see we have lots of different options. We can choose the default XLSX, which is the same as just saving it to a different location. We can go to the Open Document Spreadsheet, which is going to be the one that a lot of Macintosh users use. You could choose a macro-enabled workbook if you want, although by default a lot of macro-enabled workbooks are going to be blocked due to security issues. We can choose an older version, Excel 97 through 2003. If we choose a template, then no changes can be made to it. You'll have to save it as a different file after you create the template. So those are nice if you want to create a template for recreating files over and over. Then we also have the option for a binary workbook as well as a CSV file. We have the other option of a text tab delimited file as well. And a lot of times those can be imported into other programs. And then we have the option for formatted text, space delimited, which is very similar to text delimited. And then we can also choose save as another file type. So if we click on that, then we click as save as, and then we have a drop down and we have all these different options where we can save our file as these different formats. Once you choose the one you want, you can go ahead and save it to the location that you want, and then it has been exported to that location. And there it is.